Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials, network credentials, and that the device clock is correct. Once done, open Settings and go to Accounts, right arrow Google, tap the account showing Sync error. You'll attempt a manual sync now, tap the three dots, choose Sync Now, and watch which data types fail. If prompted, re-enter your password and approve any two-step prompts. This immediate sequence isolates whether the issue is credentials, connectivity, or account flags. Once you've tried a manual sync, clear caches to remove stale tokens. Start with Google Play services, then Google App and Chrome if present. Make sure to reboot the device after cache clears. This refreshes background services. If errors persist, remove the Google account and re-add it. This forces a fresh token exchange. While re-adding, watch for permission prompts and grant full access. Also inspect sync toggles for each data type, and toggle them off then on to force individual resyncs. After re-adding the account, update all Google apps and the system OS. Updates often resolve API or token mismatches. Then open Mail, Contacts, and Calendar to confirm fresh sync entries. If problems remain, sign into your Google account via a web browser to check security alerts or blocked sign-ins, clear any flags there. One key troubleshooting tip: if sync still fails, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.